Hi guys. What's up? I'm feeling fresh. I'm feeling good today. I'm going to be doing this makeup look for you guys. This is my new everyday updated makeup look, and a lot of the products I'm using are similar to some of the ones that I've used, but I'm also using some good drugstore ones that are just like my ride or die makeup products. So I wanted to show you guys this makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing how to do this, everything will be linked below, and let's get into it. Okay. Hi. Oh, my tag is still on. Ew, that's ratchet. So, as I was saying, I just filmed this makeup look. I want to show you guys my outfit. This necklace is from Vanessa Mooney. This top is from Revolve. And these cargo pants are from, it's called Sobe with a K. And then I got these from Hustlers in Hollywood for like $10. So today I am gonna be shooting content with Stephanie and Jessica, and I just figured I would just jump you guys in because I'm like vlogging because I'm back in LA from traveling, and I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I think this necklace is doing too much. Okay, see you on the flip side. Hi, what's up you guys? This feels so good. I actually just, hi. So to get started, because my lips are literally destroyed from traveling, I'm gonna take, this is my favorite thing on the entire planet. This is the Shea Butter Balm. It's unscented and fragrance free. I have it on my Amazon favorites. I'll link it down below for you guys. It's one of the only shea butters I've found that is fragrance free and doesn't have a bunch of garbage in it, and I love it. So I just like take a little bit. You just need like a little tiny bit. I'm just going to, oh, I forgot my wipes. You know I hate having stuff on my hands. I'm using these alcohol free. These are like a hand sanitizing wipe. My dad got me them for Christmas, and they're like healthy and they're for like babies and kids. So they smell really good. Like honestly, like a mandarin orange. So good. Before I apply my foundation, I bought this little travel size. This is the Peptide Cream by Drunk Elephant. It's so amazing and so bomb under makeup. I have a little bit on, but I'm just gonna put a little bit more on too. Why not just be extra moisturized? My skin has been so dry since I got back from traveling in Miami and in Michigan. The weather was so humid-y, like there's so much moisture in the air, and then I came back here and my skin is just like a desert. So if you guys are looking for a makeup bag, I feel like I have to talk about this just because I'm so obsessed with it. It's this travel makeup bag here. It's by, how do I say this? Base? Oh, I can't read. Basically, you open it up like this, and there's a zipper, and then boom. There's like, the mirror goes right here, and then there's like a brushes section, and then all your makeup, and there's like little compartments that you can put the little makeup things you have. But what I love about this makeup bag, it's the best. I'm so obsessed with it, is this mirror here. Ooh, it's dirty. But basically you can prop it so it's like this, or you can put stuff behind it and prop it up. So whenever I was like in a hotel room, I just find a place to prop it by the window, or at my dad's house, or when I'm traveling, or here when I'm lazy and I don't want to sit in front of my vanity. I'll just prop this up, and it's literally perfect. So prop it up now. Yeah, and it's just so freaking bomb. I'm gonna be using all the makeup that I traveled with, just because you guys noticed on my Instagram that I was doing like a different type of makeup, and I was kind of doing it a different way. So you guys are so, I love you guys. So I didn't use primer, and I swear my makeup literally stayed on all day and looked flawless all day. I was actually so shocked by how amazing this makeup stayed on. So I'm gonna be using these two. This is the IT Cosmetics CC foundation. It's the CC Plus color correcting full coverage cream, anti-aging, hydrating serum, SPF 50. What more could you ask for? I have the colors medium tan and medium. I just got a spray tan. As you can see, it's like all over my face and everywhere. So I'll mix these, but most of the time I'm just medium when I'm not super spray tanned, or when I'm really tan, I'll use a little bit of this, but this is actually pretty dark. So I'm gonna mix the two. I have all my brushes here, by the way. This is like how I like to keep them organized. Just thought I'd share. I got this off Amazon. It's all in my Amazon favorites. I literally organize different sections of where stuff is, so you guys can check that out. But look how organized. Okay, sorry. Just very aesthetically pleasing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the medium, and I'll put the lighter one on like the center of my face, And I'll do the darker one like over here, just because like it kind of starts already the contour of the face kind of, you know what I mean? No? I've also been super lazy with spreading out foundation. So I've been using this like big ass Tarte brush, and I just like go like this and I just like buff it out, and it just spreads the makeup out so easy and so fast. And I just go down my neck. And I feel like this also just gives me a natural look, because when my brushes weren't spreading out my foundation, I was just applying more foundation because I wanted more coverage. Because I do like, you know, I do take care of my skin, but I like when I'm going out for the day, I want like a good coverage. Or when I'm taking like Insta-baddie pictures, tic-tackities. So if you guys watch my makeup videos, you guys know I like to use 2 concealers. One for just covering up any discoloration, and 2 for lifting and brightening the under eyes. The first one is a Kosas. This is the number 3. I'm just gonna put it where I really need it, kind of in areas where I have discoloration. And I'm just gonna take it and put it underneath my nose. Perfect. Then one of my favorite concealers. This like stays on forever. This is the Studio Skin Flawless 24-hour concealer in Fair Warm. And I'm just going to put a little here. It's really bright, I know, don't get too scared. I probably should take it a notch up with the color, but it's whatever. So I do this, and I'll show you how it just lifts the face. This is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe foundation brush, my favorite. I'm just going to like blend this down and kind of start that like triangle outwards, and then I'm gonna glide this upwards, because we want the eyes to be, see how it's already lifting? It's like crazy. This color is a little light, but I promise I'll make it work. We always gotta make it work. Make do with what we have. So now to kind of like chill this out a little bit, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just going to, we don't want to be too cray cray. And we'll chill this line out even more, but I'm gonna set this. A ton of you guys told me about the Ilia translucent powder, and it was sold out online for so, sorry if it doesn't look blended. It was sold out online for so long, and then I was in Michigan visiting my family, and we went out just to like the mall, and we just had to like get out of the house and like walk around, and they had it in stock there, so I'm gonna use this. I actually love it. However, I will say it gets everywhere. I mean, what translucent powder doesn't? But it also kind of smells very like mineral-y, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna, yeah, it smells like literally dirt, which if scents really bother you, I don't know if you're gonna love this, just because scents don't really bother me. I don't really like, I mean, I like when something smells good, but I don't really care. But if you don't like kind of off-putting scents and it really bothers you, I don't know, maybe try it out. But it sets on your skin so good, and they're considered a clean beauty brand. Their foundation is actually one of my favorite foundations in the world ever, like created. Definitely worth a try. I'm just gonna set in between my brows too. I hate when I'm super shiny right here, so I'm just gonna set. But we still wanna look dewy and cute. That's why it's like key where you put this. And I promise this is gonna look like more subtle. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. This is my favorite, the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in color Suede. And I'm just gonna put, you know what? Let's just put it on the back of my hand, warm it up. Lots of product. This is my favorite cream contour brush. You guys already know, I'm not saying anything new. I'm just gonna go right where the top of my ear is, and see how the line is already kind of like the white line is going away, because I'm just gonna blend this bronzer over top of it. So it's still there, but it's more subtle. We just want to like lightly warm the skin. I don't want to do anything super crazy. And I love how this just fits like right underneath my cheekbone. I'm like beating my face. Literally, actually beating. That's where that term comes from, I guess. Cute. Now I'm gonna just take whatever's left, like a little bit of color left, and I'm just gonna run it down my nose. My under eye still looks crazy, but I promise we'll fix it. Now for blush. This is the Nude Sticks Nudies. Yeah, Nudies Bloom and Poppy Girl. And if they don't have this color, then I'll find another one, but I actually really like this. Ah, scary. You literally only need that much, because let me show you. This is the Fenty Face 225 brush. I love this brush for blush. Look at how it's like spreading out. It's like, it's so pigmented. And if you have more dry skin, this is good just to use and then not like set it with powder. You can just use this. But what I like to do, since my under eye looked so crazy, I like to blend the blush kind of up in it, so it gives me more of a natural look. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? And then just go across my nose with it. I'll just take like a powder brush and I'll just kind of like blend that line. So it's nothing like super harsh and super crazy. I want to set my bronzer before I do brows, so my favorite baby. You guys, you have watched any of my videos, this is a reoccurring favorite and just lover of mine. It's the Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronze, and it's by Physicians Formula. And I just like to take a blush brush, a small brush, so I can really just set the certain bronzed area. I know a lot of you guys that have watched my videos for years, you guys are like, this is nothing new, Genelle. But it's an update, and a lot of you guys, some of you guys are new. So you guys find me through my music, set my bronzer here. I just keep it right in this area because I don't want to like cancel out the blush. And then I'm gonna pinch the brush with a little bit of bronzer and just take it down my nose, under my lip, go put it under my eye. Okay, brows. You guys already know the deal. Precisely My Brow, number 3 at the front and number 5 at the end. What I like to do to really, because we're snatching the face in all ways, but also still trying to look natural. I take this and I line it up, and then I make a line. Boom. Make a line. Boom. Is this the number 3? Yeah. And then I like to like just lightly draw a line underneath. And then I'll just like lightly draw in hairs at the front. I know it looks crazy, but we'll fade it out, I promise. Number 5, I'm just gonna start underneath my brow, and I draw a line where there's like a natural arch because I like to make my brows more straight. And then I take that line and I just bring it up and out like that. And then I just fill in any sparse areas. The key to this is this little brush right here. What I do is I normally use this for like setting powder, so it already has some setting powder on it, and I just kind of buff over those little hairs and the beginning of the brow. And you can add translucent powder to it if it's like not like, it doesn't have enough powder on it. So it gives the front of the brow more of a natural look. Then I'm taking this little flat brush and a little bit of my light foundation, and I just like to, this is extra, you don't have to do this. I just like to go in and, oops, and draw and just really perfect the brow. Even underneath here. Hate when brows don't match. Brows are done. Now, we're getting there. We're on our way. Taking the bronzer again and Sigma Blending E25. You guys, my brushes are superior. The brushes that I use literally make my makeup look bomb. So I'm just gonna put this just all over the lid, just smear it, and then follow that like invisible white line that I made with the concealer up, and then just connect it. It's just so easy, and it just kind of enhances that snatch kind of look that you already gave yourself. It's so easy. So I just go all over the lid. You can really like pack it on if you like the color. I love the color of this bronzer, and I like that it's cohesive with what I put on my skin. And then if you want, you can put it on your lower lash line, whatever kind of look you prefer. Now, the blush. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic Ecstasy blush color. I know I'm kind of skipping around. I should have just finished the eyes. I don't know what I'm doing. Too much coffee, not enough water. Okay, just going to jumping around. So this is the new thing I've been doing. I have been taking the number 5, Precisely My Brow, and I have been drawing from the corner of my eye, following that invisible line, just one line, just like that. So it almost looks like an eyelash. Before I put on mascara, because I like to put on mascara after I spray my face, I'm gonna put my Freck on and just enhance my little moles, my little freckles. Well, this one's a mole, okay? And I'll just press, press, press. I like to highlight my beauty marks. It's just fun to do. This is my new baby. This is one of my favorite setting sprays next to the Hourglass one. The Hourglass one I think is a little bit more pricey. This is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better setting spray. It's with skin loving hyaluronic acid, coconut water, aloe vera extract, and it is up to 16 hours of makeup wear. Smells like I'm still in Miami. Okay, now curl the lashes. So now let's do the mascara. This is the Lancome Lash Idol, and I'm just going to coat my lashes. This has literally been one of my favorite recent mascaras. It just coats my lashes so nicely, but not like super clumpy. Like, it's so cute. Okay, these are my all-time favorites. I have them in my Amazon favorites. It's the long and the medium. Ardell Knotted Flare Trio Lashes. We're gonna do one long, one medium, one long, one medium. Here's the long lash, and I'm taking, this is the Velour Lash and Go. I love that it's black because it just kind of makes your lash line look a little thicker. So the key to this is applying it, but applying it a little bit higher so it gives you that lift. We're just lifting the whole face. So I'm just gonna apply this just above my lash line. So it's sitting just above it. I'm gonna do the other side really quick and I'll come right back. So I know they don't look super blended, I'll show you. I blend them. You take mascara and then you just, I like to take the ends and I like to flick my real lashes up to blend. I think I got it. I like these. Okay, now with this Milani, this is the Stellar Lights palette. I'm going to take the really white color and I'm just going to pop it. Look, it's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. Fave, 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 fave. Okay, I'm just gonna do a couple little extra touches. So, with this bronzer, I'm gonna take this and I'm just going to bring it out and then attach it to my nose. Just gives you more of a defined look. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more to my bottom lash line there. Okay, lips. Taking this Nighthawk by Urban Decay, I'm just going to, I've been loving like a faded nude lip look, and I'll show you what I mean. I love like on the corners how it gets darker, and then up here, that. So I love like this, and then I'm taking, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and I just like to, and then, so the liner is not too intense because it looks a little intense right now. I'm just going to, this is like to die for. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip gloss. Okay, and it's just such a pretty color. Just put a little bit, because I don't like a ton of gloss. I just like a little bit. I think it's super cute. I almost forgot highlighter. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Champagne. And then this is the Luxie Tapered Highlighting Brush. Tip of my nose, center of my nose. Okay, you guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked seeing my updated kind of everyday makeup that I literally did for 3 weeks straight, and I was like, I'm obsessed with this look. It looks so good on Instagram photos, so good on camera, so good in person. Tag me in pictures if you guys try it out, and you guys, do not forget to like this video. It helps me out so much. Subscribe for more makeup, subscribe for more vlogs, subscribe for more music. Do not forget to stream my music and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next video.
So why you make it hard for me, yeah. Good love, baby, it's all that I need, I'm telling you. Good love, you know what it's gonna be. I don't care what you say, it